of the venue. We're gonna start at the main entrance, and then we're gonna finish off the video in VIP, because that's the kind of ticket I have. So I'm gonna show you everything that Movement has to offer. This is day one of the festival. I'm here super early, so a lot of the stages aren't going off yet, but let's get into this tour. This is the main entrance for the GA ticket holders. So as soon as you walk in, you got some porta potties lined up, a bar. There is a stage over here. This is my first time here, so I don't know any of the stage names, but we'll go peek at this stage really quick. Bubbles!
Oh, there's the lockers right there.
You guys have it going on. Okay, so this is called the Detroit stage. Stage. So I just came back to the entrance really quick to show you that if you make a right, there is the Stargate stage, but there's a little path this way, so we're gonna keep going this way for now. Merch line for day one. VIP does have their own merch booth, just an FYI, so I'm gonna go to that later, but day one merch line. And then we got some food locker, food. And then on the other side of this tent, or this line, are just like little shops. And Detroit in the background. Some more shops. Said that there's something down here?
Yeah, that's the underground stage.
So there's an underground stage. I don't know if there's music at it yet, but we gotta go see. We can go to, okay.
Where all the shufflers go.
This is where the shuffle, okay. Oh, this is a full underground. Okay, no music right now, but this is very, very cool. So an underground stage. And I always post these walking tours before the vlogs, so when the vlogs come out, I'll actually have clips of all of this in action. But this is the underground stage. All right, do we go out the same way that we came in?
At least the main stage.
Okay, this way, yes. Water stations. Okay, so the underground links to the main stage. And it's super early, like the day one, doors opened up at 2, it's like 2:45 or maybe even 3 right now. Came super early, so when you watch the vlogs, you'll see that all of this will be filled in. giving you guys the lay of the land. Okay, so let's take a look. So this is the Stargate stage. I showed you guys when we're up there. If you walk in and go to the right, Stargate, so then just in relation to where we are. Main stage. Okay. Big, beautiful fountain. Island noodles, that's a rave favorite. Okay, so now we're pretty much back on track because we were here and then we went down into the underground, so now that we're back on track. Another stage, the pyramid stage. Okay, so we got the pyramid stage, nobody's on yet, lots of places to sit. This is just like a little chill artwork area. Okay. Go back out. Take a moment. Look how beautiful! VIP. This is the viewing deck next to main stage. Which is actually really cool. So back here, lots of areas to just sit and hang out. There's some games back there. A hammock. So just a little section. Chill out. Looks like there's a bar here, or maybe some food. Massage therapy. So many places to sit and relax. We love taking breaks. There's a full bar area, lots of tables, some hydration. This is all VIP, ladies and gentlemen. So if you have a VIP ticket, this is the entrance that you can come in through. It's separate than the main entrance. We're on the back side of main stage, but we have our own like little section to the side to see from up here. And more bars. Of course, it's not VIP without the lovely, lovely bathrooms. Flushable, light, wash your hands, running water, all the things. And then VIP has their own merch tent. I don't know if they have all the same things as the other one, but there's like no line compared to that other one. Let's go look at the merch. So I'm pretty sure the other one has a lot more. Just more cover chill. This is the entrance that VIP comes through. So this is where I came through. And we have our own food, and lockers, and a place to charge your phone. So that is the Movement Music Festival walking tour. Went through the entire venue. I know it's early in the day, but lots more content to come. The venue tour is always the first one that I push out, but if you look at the vlogs later, then you'll see all the people and music and all the good vibes and things. So thank you guys for watching.